At Hyundai, our progress is driven by a passion to move you forward, ahead of everyone else, on the road and in life. We believe owning a car is like running a marathon, from preparation to leading the way. When you buy the gear, like buying a car, quality is essential. You rely on great car service, just as the right nutrition to fuel your journey. Your time is precious. Every second counts to overtake the rest. Our expert technicians keep you on track for better endurance, constant reliable stamina and durability. Always moving forward, pushing boundaries and redefining the finish line with a strong resale value, like a champion's legacy. Inspiring others to carry forward the spirit of progress and set their own standards. Hyundai, Champion's Choice.